Hey guys, all right, I'm just here at the shop. We're doing some work, getting a windshield change on the truck here, on the boom van. This boom van right here, we're changing the windshield. It was cracked. You guys had seen in previous videos there that we had cracked that. Stuff that happens when you're working. When stuff is working, that's what happens. So we got it out. Our guy's got it out here. He's gonna change it all up. The old one's out, the new one's going in. Gonna look good. Regular maintenance that we usually have to do. We don't break windshields every season, but at least once a year there's one of the windows on the trucks there that breaks. So anyways, I'll show you guys as we're putting it back in, and we'll see what else we got going on. We got the trucks are going to inspection. This truck's going to inspection tomorrow, and the one over here is going to go, the dump truck's going to inspection too. They're both going tomorrow, so we'll get that through. I'll show you guys. I'll make a video of that as it's going through inspection to show you guys what's going on. All right, so I'll show you guys what we got going on here on the van. We'll get that windshield done up. We'll get it all done up and make it look good. All right, see you guys in a bit.
You want it first?
Got it?
Yep.
Look at that, all in, all nice installed. When you know what you're doing, it's not too hard, eh? You got these professionals doing this. Just like us when we're doing our work, eh? We know what we're doing, well, they know what they're doing. No more cracks. Look at that. Couldn't ask for better. When you get it done by the people that know what they're doing, it's easy going. All right, so this truck's almost unloaded, all unloaded. We're unloading it now and getting it ready. Bring it over to inspection, our annual inspection. We'll get those step ladders off the top and that'll be it. All right, got her all unloaded. She's all ready. Send her to get inspected. See how that goes. Usually goes good. We don't usually have too many problems. Probably send this one the first one. We'll send the other one next. I want to show you guys. I bought some stuff here to tint my windows. See here. I'll show you guys what we do. I use this in the windows, so people can't see in. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see out. I had an estimate done. They gave me a price to do my front window over here. It's not very big, the window, just a little window. My window and door. I'll show you guys. Show you guys here, I'll just take this down. I had this door here and this window. I had them give me a price to put that stuff in the window, like what I just showed you guys. They wanted $450 to do just these two things. And I said, man, that's a lot. It seemed like an awful lot of money, because I want to have this tinted up so we can't see what's going on inside. We don't have to put, right now we're just putting a tarp so people when they drive by, they can't see inside here. I said, I'm going to check and see how much it would cost. I'll just check on Amazon or on stuff like that. I bought a roll. It's 25 feet long by 54 inches wide. And I paid $200. So I said, well, I go at $200 or $210, something like that. I said, at that price, I might as well just do it myself. I mean, I didn't think it was that expensive. Seeing it just comes in a roll like this. You can see how the line's there. So I'll try it out. I'm gonna see what it does. At the same time, I'll do those little windows over there on the side. there and over there. We don't need to do these up here because they're up high enough. People can't see, and I just like to have light. So we have a daylight, real daylight here, so that it looks not, you know, it gives you more light inside the place, inside our shop here. There's nothing like having real light, real daylight. All right, so I just want to tell you guys that. We're gonna check this out, we're gonna install it, and I'll show you guys once it's all done. We're not gonna do it today, but I just want to talk to you guys about it. All right, oh, I'm gonna go get a truck here. Yeah, I'm gonna take one of my trucks, bring it to inspection. I'm gonna bring it over to the place where we get it inspected. I don't know which one I'm gonna start with. I don't know which one I should bring over there. I guess I'll take the dump truck over. We'll leave it, that'll be the first one we'll get done. They're gonna do them all tomorrow morning. I'll bring this one over, I'll leave it there, and once this one's done, they'll call me. And I'll come and I'll switch it with this one here. I'll bring this one over, get it inspected. Our usual annual inspections here in the province of Quebec, where we are in Canada. All right, so let's get this truck out of here. Well, all right, let's get rolling. A little bit of snow. Just had a really cold streak come through. Crazy cold streak. Yeah, like I was saying, we had a crazy cold streak. It was minus 25, minus 30. All right, let's get this truck over to inspection. All right, get the old seatbelt on here. Let's get going. Let's head over to our inspection center. I haven't ran this truck in probably a month, over a month. We're in our off season right now. That's why we have our stuff inspected this time of the year. That's why we do it this time of the year. We don't have to worry about the trucks. If ever something doesn't go through, we have to get it fixed. We don't have to worry about it. All right, so we got one in, one more to go. So this is our place right here. We get them done. That's where everyone has to get them done. A couple places in town here to do it, but this is, I like to go. They're pretty severe here. They really take care of everything. So you see the trucks over there out in the back there. See, other trucks are waiting to get theirs done. All right, that's it. So I'll let you guys know when I pick up the other truck tomorrow and I come get this one. Okay, see you guys.